Welcome back to BIBSTER'S Repair Shop, and yeah, as you can see, we're doing some brake work on the tractor I was supposed to be pulling. It still would have worked, but look how much I had this much free play before I did anything. And when I tried to adjust this brake here, this adjuster, let's see if I can show you guys. I've been out here working for a while, and I wasn't going to film this yet, but I was hoping I'd come up with a miracle fix, but it's not going to happen. This adjuster was just hanging out like that. So it's not like I got to weld that up. So it's not putting any adjustment on it. So I tried to get as much out of this as I could, and it pretty much isn't anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and tear this all apart, because in pulling, you really want to have good brakes. So you can, you got a wheel spin, you got to try and apply just a little bit of brake. So I thought, well, I got 2 weeks till the pull up in Afton if I'm going to try and go to it. And might as well make a new project. So I'm going to try and get this all pulled apart, and I'll bring you guys back. And you guys know what to do. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff. We'll be back. All right, so we got all this off. And so what you got to do is you got to take both your brackets off, or both your pedals off. And then all the bolts and all this on. The problem is I got to take this part of the hitch off because I'm hitting that. But what we can see already, if I spin this around, just doing it one-handed is great. The brake band is definitely shot. Like there is not much there, so I'm gonna have to order that and possibly some other parts for this. Basically, whatever I get for this side, I'm just going to get for the other side because it's got to be pretty close. But see this on this adjuster here? See how that's popped out? That's how it was. And I was able to bend it back. And I don't want to bend it back now because... But basically, it wasn't allowing there to be any adjustment, because what that does is it tightens up the band. Tightens the band up a little bit to get rid of the slop. Well, with that being like that, it was all free and all worn out from probably who knows how long it's been on there. So we'll probably have to pull. I'll bring it back, but I'm gonna have to. Oh man, hold on. Let me here, look from. That's not a bad angle. There's also hit the phone. Son of a diddly. Come on. There we go. Okay. So what I'll do is I'm gonna take this off, and hopefully those bolts come off, and then we can we'll take this side apart. That should work. So I'll get set up to take this off and I'll bring it back. All right, well, we got it off. As you can see, there's not a lot of material left in there. So it was a good thing I went ahead and got this pulled out. But as you can see on this, the adjuster that it broke. So that basically caused it to not be an adjuster anymore. So it's a little bit wet in here. There's a lot of grease and crap. So I probably should do those seals while I'm in here, but we'll see. So like I'm gonna have to get, I think this pounds out, because these are just pins that these come out on. So I'm not sure if that comes out on this pin or what, but I'll look it up and see in my old manual. So I'm gonna pound on that a little bit, see if I can come up with anything. But yeah, I'm probably just gonna do the one side at a time because of the fact that you have to take basically the whole hitch would fall off if I pulled both sides of the hitch off, because what I had to end up doing was pulling these two bolts of the hitch off. So this is actually attached. So this is attached to the differential. It spins all the time, and then your band just clamps right on that. Like I said, there's some moisture. Like I should probably go in and replace that seal, but we'll see. Like I said, I really need to replace the seals here and a couple other spots, but we might end up doing that one too while I'm in here. I probably should, But I'm going to get some parts ordered tonight and do a couple other things. But, yeah, it looks like a new little project. So, that'll be fun. Just off, yep. Yeah, like I said, they technically worked. But pulling would have been it would have not been ideal. Especially with, as far as there's so little travel left. You had so much free play. I mean, the free play came out to like here that last year, and that the ratio hit, and I was having to pull trees with this thing. It was kind of sketchy in a couple spots because I'd be on hills trying to hold on to it with the brakes that bad. So it's better time to get them done now than wait on them. So we'll start getting this cleaned up, see if I can get that tore apart. But we'll probably wrap it up for tonight. We'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe. You guys know what to do. I'll probably put some more links on the description to the page and all that stuff. Still have a bunch of stickers, so hit me up if you want stickers. We'll get some sent out to you. Fleagle, yours, I'm going to bring yours this weekend because I'll be at a plow day. So, be fun. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Bye. All right, I thought I'd just bring a little extra bonus footage here. So, when you don't have a vise or a bench right now at your shop, you just use your new fancy weight bracket. So, got this all pulled apart. So it looks like, to me, I was thinking that maybe there's a shaft that's, see how much meat I have there? Compare that to, it's not too off. It's more that's inconsistent, like, because that bottom was broke, it wasn't going around the band true. So there was grabbing high spots. That's why you have spots like this where it's down to just about nothing, which should have been the spot that it would have tightened up or tightened up into. Because, yeah, this would have been the front side that would have been tightened up. So, yeah. See, it definitely worn out. So I'll get new sets coming. Yeah, that's all it's good for. And we'll get a new set coming, and hopefully it doesn't take too long to get those parts here. I'll probably try and get them ordered up tonight. Probably get the seals and everything, even if I don't use them. They're cheap, and if I have to get back in there, it won't be too bad. So I'll have it all apart once, but hopefully this all works, and we'll have good brakes. Well, we'll see you on the next one. This time I promise. Bye.